Candy. Hello?
All right, guys, here we are in Hollywood.
Hollywood.
The town that never sleeps is Hollywood. And we are here to get candy.
Candy.
Candy. Hello?
But Halloween is just around the corner.
Coming up.
And we're trying to see what the weirdest, craziest candy craze
Yeah.
is. But we're gonna be going to Sweet.
Were you just pointing?
It's up there, to the candy. You just said free sample. Hold on.
Yes, I'll marry you.
All right, so we are about to eat a gummy chili pepper, which is actually spicy. Oh,
What is
Yeah.
happening?
there it is.
This might be the fanciest piece of jewelry I've ever worn.
I said yes. I said
That's a
yes.
nice rock. Oh
Ants.
my gosh.
Ants.
Why would they do that?
You know what? Crickets are pretty cool. This is what happens. He wished upon a star and it didn't go so well.
You kind it out of your skirt. Let's go in. You know what I'm hearing from that joke? Just crickets. Oh, I broke a little bit.
How you doing over there? They like me. They really like me.
They don't like me as much, but I can still take one of these off the shelf. Son, he's safe in here, honey.
I don't know how he even got in there.
Get it? It's a candy wrapper. Are we still filming? This is the beginning of our 90s sitcom. This is a place where you can literally make your own candy bar from scratch.
Okay, so I have to make a candy bar for Jetta. A surprise. The rinky dink, I can't think of what I want to eat, so I'll have everything. I'm pretty proud of myself.
All right, so Dalton made me a chocolate bar. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm gonna make him one now.
The little pineapple.
That really looks like a watermelon.
We would be terrible Oompa Loompas.
This is the moment of truth. We will exchange our candy bar presents. Feliz Navidad.
Navidad.
I got a golden ticket. The back looks terrifying. I can't predict what that is.
Don't look, just eat.
Can I guess?
Yeah, go for it.
Milk chocolate. Coffee? Coffee? You put coffee in here?
Yeah.
Fruity Pebbles? Nutella?
Yeah. But now it's my turn. Hope you didn't put peanuts in it.
Oh, you're allergic to peanuts?
It's dark chocolate.
Yeah, his favorite.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Marshmallows?
Yeah.
And potato chips? This is awesome. Is that Pop Rocks?
Yes!
Yes!
Right?
It's
pickle.
What? We're going to the disgusting.
Ooh. This is perfect for Halloween. Is this private time or?
It was.
This is the Halloween version of a Christmas tree. The sugar's kicking in. Number 1, number 2?
A bit of both.
Number 3?
Yeah, definitely number 3.
Gross. We start doing Zumba. Oh, fudge! These are made out of chocolate. Look at this.
This is chocolate, caramel, sea salt.
It's delicious, delicious, delicious. 1, 2, 3.
Can I get Jenna?
How do you keep finding toilets?
This was by far the weirdest thing that we found. This is grilled seaweed roll in different flavors.
Yeah.
We have a spicy flavor,
yes,
and we have a barbecue flavor.
Yeah.
Which I'm actually really excited about.
I am too. What?
All right. I can taste the sea.
This should not be sold to the public.
No offense, definitely shouldn't be
Dangerous.
sold in a candy store. Maybe a
Yeah.
convenience store.
Maybe an inconvenience.
When you're really desperate and hungry. But as far as candy, something I would eat leisurely, no. All right, guys, well, we just got done shopping at Sweet.
It was an experience.
It was pretty fantastic.
To be fair, we are awful at picking out candy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below which candy is your favorite.
So you have a happy Halloween, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.